Let me take you in a journey to the Far East, to Japan. Please fasten your seat belt and hope you enjoy. Tokyo, historically known in the West as Tokyo and officially the Tokyo metropolis, is the capital, the largest city, and the most populous metropolitan area in the Greater Tokyo area, the Kanto region, and Japan, as well as the most populous metropolitan area in the world and most populous prefecture of Japan. Tokyo is the political and economic center of the country, as well as the seat of the Emperor of Japan and the national government. As of 2021, the prefecture has an estimated population of 14.04 million. The Greater Tokyo area is the most populous metropolitan area in the world, with an estimated 37.468 million residents in 2018. Now, let me take you to see one of the most famous sports in Japan, sumo. Sumo originated in Japan, the only country where it is practiced professionally, where it is considered the national sport. It is considered a Gendai Budo, which refers to modern Japanese martial arts, but the sport has a history spanning many centuries. Many ancient traditions have been preserved in sumo, and even today the sport includes many ritual elements, such as the use of salt purification from Shinto. The culture of Japan has many styles of art. One of those traditional arts is geisha. Geisha are a class of female Japanese performing artists and entertainers trained in traditional Japanese performing arts styles, such as dance, music and singing, as well as being proficient conversationalists and hosts. Their distinct appearance is characterized by long, trailing kimono, traditional hairstyles and oshiro makeup. Geisha entertain at parties known as ozashiki, often for the entertainment of wealthy clientele, as well as performing on stage and at festivals. Modern geisha are not prostitutes. This misconception originated due to the conflation of Japanese courtesans, modern-day courtesan reenactors, the extant taiyu, and sex workers, who historically also wore kimono. The first female geisha appeared in 1751, with geisha before that time being male performers who entertained guests within the pleasure quarters. Only later did the profession become mainly characterized by female workers. You must be hungry by now, and what would be better than Japanese cuisine? Sushi. Sushi is a traditional Japanese dish of prepared vinegared rice, usually with some sugar and salt, accompanied by a variety of ingredients, such as seafood, often raw, and vegetables. Styles of sushi and its presentation vary widely, but the one key ingredient is sushi rice, also referred to as shari, or sumeshi. Sushi is traditionally made with medium grain white rice, though it can be prepared with brown rice or short grain rice. It is very often prepared with seafood, such as squid, eel, yellowtail, salmon, tuna or imitation crab meat. Many types of sushi are vegetarian. It is often served with pickled ginger, gari, wasabi, and soy sauce. Daikon radish or pickled daikon, takuan, are popular garnishes for the dish. Now let's visit another city in Japan, Kyoto. Kyoto, officially Kyoto City, is the capital city of Kyoto Prefecture in Japan. Located in the Kansai region on the island of Honshu, Kyoto forms a part of the Keihanshin metropolitan area along with Osaka and Kobe. As of 2021, the city has a population of 1.45 million, making up 57% of the prefecture's total population. The city is the cultural anchor of a substantially larger metropolitan area known as Greater Kyoto, a metropolitan statistical area, MSA, home to a census estimated 3.8 million people in 2020 and ranking as the second MSA in the Kansai region. Our next destination is Chiba. Chiba Prefecture is a prefecture of Japan located in the Kanto region of Honshu. Chiba Prefecture has a population of 6,278,060 and has a geographic area of 5,157 square kilometers. Chiba Prefecture borders Ibaraki Prefecture to the north, Saitama Prefecture to the northwest, and Tokyo to the west.
The name of Chiba Prefecture in Japanese is formed from two kanji characters. The first means thousand, and the second means leaves. The journey comes to the end, and the last place that we'll visit is Mount Fuji, located on the island of Honshu, and the highest mountain in Japan, standing 3,776.24 meters. It is the second highest volcano located on an island in Asia, after Mount Kerinci on the island of Sumatra, and seventh highest peak of an island on Earth. I hope you enjoyed the journey. Thank you for watching.